Look at it go. That's a striper, all right. I don't think it's got any size to it. About a 2-pounder maybe. Come on. I am not very deep. We're in this back bay. We camped out here. And we've been fishing here, and this is my 3rd fish. Look at that one. Oh, it's good. That's nice. Look at that. See it? Nice diver. Look at that. Come on, baby. Come on. A 2-pounder. No. Get up here. Come on. The 3rd fish of the day. Oh, a lipper too. I like that. I like that. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. Come on. Put that pole over there. Come on. Come here. Don't break off. Don't break off. Gotcha. Come on. There you go. There you go.